Lok Sabha Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi's dead economy remark. Union Minister Piyush Goyal has said that you heard the statement from the EU Commission and the EU Council presidents. There was so much enthusiasm in them for improving relations with India.
डेड इकोनॉमी है, 2 बार रिपीट कर चुके हैं
भाई। दुनिया की फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी। आपने ईयू कमीशन के प्रेसिडेंट, ईयू काउंसिल के प्रेसिडेंट के वक्तव्य सुने, कितना उत्साह था उनमें भारत के साथ संबंध सुधारने का। आज 7-8% पे तो दुनिया की कोई और इकोनॉमी ग्रो नहीं कर रही है भारत के अलावा। आज पूरे विश्व को भारत के साथ संबंध बढ़ाने के उत्साह है। ये तो मैं मानता हूं एक प्रकार से देश के अंदर ही लोग ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं, राहुल गांधी जी जैसे, जयराम रमेश जी जैसे, जो अपने ही देश को नीचा दिखाते हैं और अपने ही देश की उपलब्धियों को नकारात्मक सोच के साथ देखते हैं। ये नहीं देख पाते हैं कि देश कैसे आगे बढ़ रहा है, कैसे 25 करोड़ लोग गरीबी की रेखा से बाहर निकले, कैसे आज देश का युवा युवती उत्साह के साथ नए स्टार्टअप में जॉब क्रिएटर बन रहे हैं, कैसे आज देश भर में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का बड़ा विस्तार हो रहा है। एक तरफ लोगों का जीवन आगे बढ़ रहा है, जीवन सुधर रहा है, आमदनी बढ़ रही है। दूसरी तरफ हमने टैक्सेस कम किए, इनकम टैक्स कम किया, जीएसटी कम किया, लोगों पे भार कम किया, उनको और समृद्ध बनाने के लिए उनकी और क्षमता बढ़ाने की लगातार कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कौशल विकास कर रहे हैं। नई नीतियों से हम नई शिक्षा नीति से लोगों को आत्मनिर्भर बना रहे हैं। ये देश अब तेजी से निकल पड़ा है। कांग्रेस की नकारात्मक सोच अब देश को रोक नहीं पाएगी। वो सोच ने ही इस देश को दशकों तक पिछड़ा रखा। अब भारत का कोई समझदार व्यक्ति कांग्रेस के सोच के झांसे में नहीं आए।
So the India-EU FTA isn't just about opening new avenues of trade, it's also about improving the existing relationship. It's also a lot about presenting India as an alternative supply chain network that reduces over-reliance on a single country, which is why it's important. But this comes amid the Congress leaders saying it time and again that this is a dead economy. Rahul Gandhi had said it again, and my colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, is the India-EU trade deal a reality check for the Congress ecosystem? Tell us why multiple leaders, not just Rahul Gandhi, but even Jairam Ramesh, had raised an objection to it and even went on to claim that there's a lot of hype around it.
Well, this is the biggest deal, and in fact, this is the reason why Prime Minister called it mother of all deals. And in fact, this has also rattled many of those countries that are working against the interest of India. In fact, if you notice, there is a change of stance as far as US is concerned also, and in fact, we are also in talks with the US about the trade deal. But EU, 37 countries, not a small thing. And in fact, this particular deal that we had struck with EU, it had been going on for many years, but it was never and the deal was never signed. This time it is sealed, and in fact, the benefit is going to be reaped by India. And this is why the minister also said that this is a win-win situation. We are also getting a lot of benefits from it, unlike what the opposition is saying. But that has been always the stance of opposition. Remember Rahul Gandhi, when he went to other country, he praised, despite the parliament session, he said the manufacturing is all-time low in India. Whereas if you look at the manufacturing sector, we are emerging as one of the main manufacturing hub. Obviously, we need to do more in that, but that does not mean that you go in another foreign soil or another country and you belittle India. And as far as economy is concerned, not just the Indian government, but also foreign agencies, IMF, EU Commission heads. In fact, they have praised India and called it a emerging economy and fastest growing economy. So when the validation is coming from the foreign sources, to which it looks like that Rahul Gandhi and Congress looks up to. And in fact, when they say that India is doing fine, then you have, no reason to belittle India's economy and India, especially at a time when such a sensitive trade deal is being signed. And in fact, it looks like that they are looking for, the opportunity, and they're looking for reasons to corner the government and to show
In
that
fact,
economy is not
Pragya,
doing
if you
well.
remember, Piyush Goyal had also responded to Jairam Ramesh's criticism by going on to say that there is no space for such negative politics, that the Congress party should come out of such negativity when he criticized the FTA. Thank you for joining us with those